It's another week of a ton of headlines, a ton of words from all the candidates. What actually mattered? Did anything move the needle? Weekly check-in here on the state of the race. Couple ways to look at this. First of all, what you got here. This was a week ago. This was the average of the national polls. A week ago, on average, Biden was leading by 7.5 points. So did anything change this week in the national polling average? Did a little bit. This is the Real Clear Politics average, and it's gone from Biden by 7.5 to Biden by 5.8. That is a difference there. Now, one thing I got to point out, we didn't get a ton of national polls this week, so this could be a little noisy here. You don't have a ton of new data. What you got does show a little bit of tightening there nationally, but where that gets interesting is national versus battleground states. We did get a lot of battleground state polling this week, and this is what we're seeing in kind of the 6 biggest battleground states. They were all Trump states in 2016, and right now you've got Biden leads running there from 1 point on the low end to 7 points. This is the polling average in these battleground states. So didn't get a ton of national polling, but you did have a bit of a tightening in the national polling average, but that is not really showing up in the battleground states. You've still got Biden leads in the battleground states. One other quick way of looking at this, put that national polling in perspective. The previous 4 incumbents before Trump to run for re-election, where were they at this exact same point? If Trump's down by 5.8 right now, Obama was up by 3.5, W was up by nearly 6, Clinton was blowing out Bob Dole. The last incumbent to trail at this point in the national polling average was George H.W. Bush. He was the last incumbent to lose a presidential election 28 years ago.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.